Understanding what ages your skin. The culprits behind wrinkles and dryness. Our skin is a remarkable organ, constantly regenerating and protecting us from the elements. However, over time, various factors can take a toll, leading to wrinkles, dryness, and a loss of that youthful glow. Here's a look at some of the major culprits behind these skin concerns. Sun damage. Ultraviolet (UV) rays are the primary enemy of youthful skin. They break down collagen and elastin, the fibers that provide structure and elasticity, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Sun exposure also contributes to hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and dry, leathery skin. Smoking. Cigarettes not only deplete your body of essential nutrients but also restrict blood flow to the skin. This translates to a lack of oxygen and nutrients reaching the skin cells, accelerating the aging process and promoting wrinkles. Dehydration. Our bodies are mostly water, and skin is no exception. When dehydrated, the skin loses its plumpness and elasticity, making wrinkles more noticeable. Poor diet. A diet lacking in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can leave your skin dull and malnourished. Sugary foods can also contribute to wrinkles by damaging collagen. Stress. Chronic stress wreaks havoc on our entire system, including the skin. It can trigger the release of cortisol, a hormone that breaks down collagen and contributes to inflammation, leading to wrinkles and breakouts. Sleep deprivation. When you don't get enough sleep, your skin doesn't have adequate time to repair and regenerate. This can manifest as dullness, puffiness, and a faster breakdown of collagen, making wrinkles more prominent. Natural remedies for a radiant you, combating wrinkles and dryness. While there's no magic bullet to stop time, several natural remedies can help combat wrinkles and dryness, promoting healthy, glowing skin. Here are some effective options you can try at home. Hydration is key. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day is crucial for keeping your skin plump and hydrated. Aim for 8 glasses of water daily, adjusting based on your activity level and climate. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. A good moisturizer traps moisture in the skin, preventing dryness and minimizing the appearance of wrinkles. Look for natural moisturizers containing ingredients like aloe vera, shea butter, or coconut oil. Sun protection is essential. Sun damage is the leading cause of premature aging. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, even on cloudy days. Choose a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher and reapply every 2 hours, or more often if sweating or swimming. Harness the power of antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage skin cells and contribute to wrinkles. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, like berries, citrus fruits, leafy greens, and tomatoes. You can also consider topical products containing antioxidants like vitamin C or green tea extract. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells, revealing the brighter, smoother skin underneath. This can also improve the absorption of moisturizers and other skincare products. Opt for gentle exfoliation methods, such as a homemade oatmeal scrub or a soft washcloth, 2 to 3 times a week. DIY face masks. Natural face masks made with ingredients from your kitchen can be a fun and effective way to nourish your skin. Here's a simple recipe for a hydrating mask. Mash half a ripe avocado. Mix in 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. Embrace healthy fats. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, oily fish, salmon, tuna, nuts, and seeds, are essential for maintaining skin health. They help keep the skin barrier strong and supple, preventing dryness and wrinkles.